Good morning, everyone. Today is a very special day. I am going on a solo trip to London. I feel excited and a little nervous. This is my first trip alone, but I am ready for an adventure. Let me check my bag, passport, phone, camera. Yes. Okay, London, here I come. Wow. I am finally in London. The air feels fresh, and the city looks beautiful. Look at those red buses. They are so big and bright. And wow, I see many black taxis too. This city looks busy, but also very friendly. I can't wait to explore. I can't believe I am at the famous London Eye. Wow, it is so tall. I feel a little scared, but also very excited. Look at this view. The view inside the glass capsule is so amazing. I can see the river, the bridges, and so many buildings. This is amazing. I feel like I am flying over the city. Now I am walking to see Big Ben. It is bigger than I thought, and the clock looks so beautiful. Listen, ding, dong, ding, dong. I love the sound of the bell. This place feels very special. Let me take a selfie here. Today has been so fun. Next, I am at Buckingham Palace. The palace is so big and beautiful. Look at the guards. They are wearing red coats and tall black hats. They stand so still they do not move at all. I wonder, is the king at home today? This place feels like a real-life fairy tale. It's 11 a.m. and I feel hungry. It is time to try a traditional full English breakfast. Wow, look at this plate. I see eggs, toast, beans, sausage, and tomatoes. This is a big breakfast. Let me take my first bite. Wow, this tastes delicious. The toast is warm, the eggs are soft, the beans are yummy, and sausages are well done. I love this breakfast. Now, I am walking around the city. I see beautiful parks and old Victorian buildings. People are smiling and enjoying their day. I feel happy and proud. Traveling alone is not scary anymore. It is fun and exciting. Today was an amazing day in London. I saw the London Eye, the beautiful Big Ben, and the grand Buckingham Palace, and the breakfast. Wow, that was so tasty. Traveling alone made me feel brave. I learned new things and saw amazing places. Thank you, London. I will come back again someday. Good night, everyone.